Okay, YouTube fans, this is video number 2. 5 minutes earlier, I made the first video. 1967 Camaro. Just got her off the trailer. Just picked her up this weekend from Eastern Virginia, a little town outside of Richmond. This one I'm going to make into a RS Z28 clone. It's going to be candy apple red with black racing straps. It's going to have the hideaway headlights. I noticed it's got a 68 fender on it, but I've got a new fender, new 67 fender for it. She's in gray primer right now. I know she looks white, but that is primer. It's going to need an interior kit, but everything's there. Got a donor back seat. Got the horseshoe shifters. Got a center console. It is an original bucket seat center console car. Original V8 car. It was a manual transmission though. It's got a bunch of new parts on it, including the drivetrain. Got a 350 out of a 69 Camaro. And it looks like I got company, so I'm going to have to stop her.